extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it. Extra, extra, read all about it.
Alright, so we're at BUSCO today. It's just me and my dad. Yeah, I think we're gonna go hit some holes now. I think there's a good little hole over here. I hit it last time. I don't know what it looks like now. I would be riding my Outlander right now, but I think I'm gonna need a whole new wiring harness. The 4-wheel drive isn't working, and like the fuse box, it's full of water and it's all rusty. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. This one is kind of bad in the beginning, and then it like gradually goes up towards the end. Yes, my 4-wheel drive works. Yeah, so the 4-wheel drive wasn't working last time, and I tried to skim, and it was in 2-wheel, but now it works. That's not that bad. Try to creep this. Actually not. Alright, so I just washed up my switches and stuff. Like if you get mud on them, they're prone to like get locked up. It's like the water gets, the mud gets like inside the spring thing inside the switch, and it does make it not work. But we're heading to a hole that last time we were here, I seen like a Defender on 46s get stuck because it's just a straight stand at the bottom. If I make it, it proves that it's the rider, not the machine. Because clearly a Defender on 46s and portals and stuff is gonna make it more capable than this. Mr. Rico. I'll skip it once and then I'll creep into it. It's a big buggy. Getting in the hole right here, I've seen Maverick, yeah, X3, whatever, is stuck in here. And he had 2 side-by-sides on him, pulling him. Yeah, this one, yeah, man, that was like fun mixed with sand. It wasn't just straight sand. This one and the next one. This one, yeah, the next one's straight sand. This one's more muddy sand still. so cool. just saying. Alright, we made it to that one. Hey! Should I hit this one? Alright, this is kind of an abrupt ending to the video, but I hope y'all enjoyed. I'll be going to Lake Fest this weekend, Saturday, with a couple of my buddies. I don't know what else to say, but make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy the video. See you at Lake Fest for the next video. Bye.